she's better than me. Wow.
It's because she's Brazilian.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's
Zack
and Lauren, and today
it's hot.
well, we're in Animal Kingdom right now. We're just gonna ride a couple rides, and then we have some yummy lunch reservations.
We're going to the steakhouse, 71 later. Very excited. Chocolate cake. Lauren got a grilled cheese there, I think the last time, that she never stops talking about. But right now we're going to Dino Land with
Whoa, Dino Land's canceled.
Look at your t-shirt.
He's wearing a vintage Dino Land shirt, now selling $500. Taking offers. Please pay off JT's debt.
What Disney should do is like really symbolically have a meteor come down in the middle of the wreckage after the meteor. It's just the Encanto house in the middle.
Anyone remember the fan?
Okay, now let's go get that dino.
Cute? Yeah.
We were standing in front of
Did you get all that?
He goes, it's 90 but it feels like 104. She said it doesn't feel like that. And then I got the rest of
Options
it.
outside are extreme. Delaying or canceling outdoor activities is recommended.
So we have to cancel Disney World? Oh my gosh, now it's like actually... Nothing futs. I'm going in the trees. In the trees! Hi. It's really bright. Woo! Gosh, I'm not ready for that. This isn't even the scary part. Lauren loves it, they hate it.
And then we sat in a freezing cold restaurant, and now I'm cold.
Now it's not hot anymore.
Oh. Did you want me to
I was
repeat
hot and then I was wet and now I'm cold.
that? And now I need to buy a sweatshirt.
We're going to studios now though. We did go to Steakhouse 71, we did eat. I have no proof that we did any of that, but we did do that because I forgot to take a picture or, yeah, exactly, but.
You could show them my food then. Actually, I could be pregnant. I could just walk like this and people can think I'm pregnant.
Why are you doing it too? JT?
Pregnant.
This is what I'm dealing with.
It could be you.
You could be pregnant.
Yeah.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled?
Have you never seen this before?
No. This is crazy.
Get down! Up is bad! Up is real bad! You guys really like cutting it close, don't you?
Does anyone remember who this is? I'll give you $1 if you can tell me her name.
$1. Maybe they get that. Oh, pick me. I know.
Who? What?
It's Lady.
Just kidding.
This is Patrick.
Hi, Patrick.
No, this is the Krusty Krab.
The Krusty Krab.
Okay, let's go.
Grandma, bite.
Do I have a choice?
Is raw. Oh, it's not raw carbs.
Nice. That was a lot. Oh.
Go, JT.
Go. No planning. No planning.
No planning, you just have to go.
First instinct.
Can you slip and fall?
Banana peel.
I fell forward.
Banana peel? You went up there and laughed. You didn't even do anything.
Touch the ground, it's wet.
No one asked you to touch the ground.
Down on the ground. I said fall down. Fall. Do something, hurry up.
I don't know what to do.
Do a backflip. I can't breathe.
Just do a dance move.
No, I'm done.
Wow. Whoa. Oh. Oh.
Oh, she's better than me. Wow.
Sorry, we haven't shown you like any food, but it's not focusing, so I'm so sorry. But this is orange and vanilla. Yay. Also, we're going to get Casey's. Also, we didn't realize we almost did 4 parks in one day today, unintentionally. But Epcot closed in an hour and we just
Got lazy.
didn't want to finish it out, so.
Just pretend that we did it.
Nuggies. We got a new nuggie today. It looks kind of interesting, honestly. Don't laugh, dude. Be quiet. Anyways, it's Chipotle barbecue pork. Rate it out of 100. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know. 75?
Cool.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Alright, round 2. Oh! This is gonna be chaotic.
Aw, such a happy guy.
I am happy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Oh, we started at Animal Kingdom and we got rained on, actually like poured on. I know, it felt like a really long time ago. And then we had lunch at Steakhouse 71, which was really good. And then we we went to Hollywood Studios and then everything was really long. Then we came here, back to Magic Kingdom. Thanks for tuning in for my segment of the vlog. See you guys tomorrow. What did I say?
Got him. Alright, that's the end of the vlog. See you all tomorrow when we... Her segment's done.
Yeah, geez.
Pay attention.
Just to wait till tomorrow.
Yeah,
I already
featured
said
tomorrow.
goodbye.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Do you want a segment?
No.
Like, comment, subscribe! Yeah!
This is Lainey, by the way. She will not be featured anymore. Have a good night, guys.
$1.
Do you want to say anything?
See ya!